It's not what goes in that makes us unclean, but what comes out. In Mark 7, Jesus shifts the focus from outward appearances to the heart, where true faith begins. Our Bible verse today is from Mark chapter 7, verse 15. There is nothing outside a person that by going in can defile, but the things that come out are what defile. This is the gospel of the Lord. Next, reflection. Jesus' teaching in Mark 7 is striking. There is nothing outside a person that by going in can defile, but the things that come out are what defile. He shifts the conversation from food laws and outward appearances to the heart, showing that what we say and do reflects who we truly are. I once bought an apple at the supermarket that looked perfect. It was shiny, bright, and unblemished. But when I bit into it, the inside was brown and rotten. The outside promised health, but the inside told a different story. It struck me how much that mirrors our lives. Appearances may look polished, but what's inside eventually shows. That's what Jesus was getting at. We can look respectable on the outside, go to church, say the right words, but if anger, bitterness, jealousy, or pride are growing within, those things will show themselves. True faith begins on the inside, in the heart, and works outward. This is challenging because it's far easier to manage appearances than it is to deal with the hidden attitudes within. We can tidy up our behaviour for others to see, but God looks deeper. He sees the motives, the thoughts, the hidden corners of the heart, and He wants to transform us there first. The good news is that Jesus doesn't just expose the problem, He offers the cure. When we open our hearts to Him, His Spirit plants new life within us. Just as a rotten apple can't make itself whole again, we can't fix our hearts alone, but He can. He grows love where hatred once lived, peace where anxiety reigned, kindness where selfishness dominated. Perhaps you've had moments where your words revealed more than you intended. A harsh response, a bitter comment, a careless remark. Those are the signs of what lies within. But they don't have to define you. Jesus calls us to let Him reshape us from the inside out. So today, think about what's growing in your heart. Is it resentment or forgiveness, pride or humility, anger or compassion? Ask Jesus to tend the soil of your life, to uproot what doesn't belong, and to grow what reflects His love. If you're ready for Him to shape your life from the inside out, drop a heart or plant emoji in the comments as your prayer today. It's a simple way to declare that you want your faith to be authentic, not just outward. And who knows? Your small act might encourage someone else to take that same step. True holiness starts within. Faith that flows from the inside out is the kind of faith Jesus longs to see in us. May Christ transform your heart so your life overflows with His love. Thank you for being here. If this devotion has been meaningful, please like the video to help it reach others, and subscribe to continue receiving these blessings daily. Thank you, and God bless you. Next, prayer. Jesus, You see past appearances into the hidden places of our hearts. Transform us within. Holy God, help us guard what is good, so that our words and actions reflect Your honour. Spirit of kindness, grow in us patience and love until our lives mirror Christ Himself. Amen. Next, worship song.
It's not the shadow on my face, It's not the dirt upon my hands, what flows within, what overflows. That's where the truth of me stands. A whisper louder than the world, a seed of love unfurled from the inside out. Let it show, let the rivers of my heart overflow. Not what I touch, not what I say, but the love I live each day. The mirror cracks, the mask falls down. The world can see my naked soul. It's not the shine of golden crowns, but grace that makes me whole. A flame that burns through darkest night, a quiet, steady light from the inside out. Let it show, let the rivers of my heart overflow. Not what I touch, not what I say, but the love I live each from the inside out. Let it show, let the rivers of my heart overflow. Not what I touch, not what I say, but the love I live each
As our time together comes to an end, remember that God's presence never leaves you. Walk in his peace and share his grace, serving others in joy and faithfulness. Go in peace to love and serve the Lord. In the name of Christ, amen.